How to clear Spotify recently played the best way. Hey guys, today I will be showing you how you can clear your recently played, as you can see on the top of your Spotify account. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you are going to do is, now there are multiple different ways that you can do this. First off is that if it is your own playlist, so if it is a playlist like this, what I can do is that I can click on these three dots over here and I can click on make private. So it would show up as in the recently of your own playlist, but it won't show up to your public profile as a recently played item. That is one way that you can hide your recently played from the public. Now, if you want to clear out your recently played, then you can go ahead and you can go into your settings and you can actually just log out of your account if you want someone to be able to play music using Spotify and without being able to actually see your recently played. So you can just click on log out over here to get started with that as well. But the most effective way to actually remove recently played or clear them out is going to be to go into the settings over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your settings on the top right over here. Once you click on settings, on your settings, you have the social button at the center of your screen. So you're going to click on social, and once you click on social, you have private session. So you can turn on private session to make sure that no more recently played songs will be recorded in your search history or in your engine history. That is one thing that you can do to prevent more recently played. And another thing that you can do is click on recently played artists. So this enables you to choose whether or not you want to display your recently played artist to your public profile. So you can turn this off and on as you like, and this will clear out your recently played to the public profile. However, if you actually go onto your own profile, you will still be able to see the recently played, but to hide it from your public profile, you can go into the social section and start a private session, and you can also choose to turn on the recently played artist or turn it off, toggle it on or off, depending on whether or not you want your public followers to be able to see your recently played. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.